Just about 5:05 this morning, we're keeping an eye on today with the other stories you need to know.
The lockdown at Kennesaw State University's Marietta campus has been lifted after an armed robbery at a nearby Mexican restaurant. Marietta police say it happened at the El Ranchero restaurant on Cobb Parkway. Students and staff were told to shelter in place while Marietta police looked for the suspect. That armed gunman, by the way, is still on the run this morning.
Police say they found the firearm that went off at the airport over the weekend, but 42-year-old Kenny Wells is still on the run. He's facing multiple charges this morning, including possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. Investigators say they found the gun in a trash can on airport property.
A Fulton County judge has set a trial date for the man already sentenced to life in prison for killing 4 people at a Cherokee County spa. Aaron Long is scheduled to be back in court April 19th. DA Fonnie Willis is seeking the death penalty and a sentencing enhancement under Georgia's new hate crimes law.
Today is your last chance to vote early in Atlanta's mayoral runoff election. City Council President Felicia Moore and City Councilman Andre Dickens are both hoping to become Atlanta's 61st mayor. Polls are open today from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Election day is next Tuesday.
Today is the 3rd annual 21 Savage Turkey Giveaway. That's happening at the Wade Walker Park Family YMCA in Stone Mountain at 4 this afternoon. They're going to be giving out 200 boxes of food, including fully cooked turkey meals and sides. The drive-through event is first come, first serve.